Yo, what's up, Jack? Welcome. How we doing? Happy weekend. What's the latest and greatest? Just want to be early for tomorrow. Why? What's tomorrow? What up, Jeroen? How we doing? Happy weekend. Thank you. We're currently working on it now. Just trying to get everything dialed in. Why? I'm so confused, Jack. This stream just started. Why are you trying to be early for tomorrow's stream? All right, let's see here. Oh, so no one can claim it first. Okay, I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm just current guys. Yeah, honestly, getting this new machine set up. Enter package. Sure. Oh God. You're going away. Going to make some baguettes and chocolate mousse for a dinner party. Outstanding, Jeroen. Enjoy. I'll see you in the app. I'll see you here tomorrow then. Have a good one. All right. So let's see here. We are first thing we're trying to do is pull over the bot. I don't have the bot. Saving, work, push, quit. So I think that will help. What Mac did I go for, bro? I went for the fully loaded, the big dog, Pro Max, 40. Let's see here, 48 gigs of RAM. Though it was still one they sold in the store. It wasn't like custom, custom put together. But how's my audio? Does it sound normal? And ideally, does it sound good? Sounds great. Perfect. Great. Thank you. Just getting everything sort of set up here. That's right. We went Mac on them. Feels good. But we are not set up. So I need to do that. Which I'm mostly set up. I want to get power. What is this thing called? So this is I just SSH into my machine. I want to get this theme. It's like power 10K or something. 10K something or other. I don't know how to get it though. I'll have to figure it out. So let's see here. Docs. Oh, the morning alarm. All right. Obviously I had to change my stream setup a little bit. I don't have any of the things I had before. So that's why it's a pretty basic setup. It's just the phone and um, the text editor, and then me in the corner. Kind of a clean look though, honestly. Okay, so we're gonna pull this thing down. Three of a kind. Let's go, dude. Love to see that. Appreciate that. You know what they should have? They should have a little plugin that you can tab complete your remote like SCP paths. like where it actually does the SCP or an SSH and sees if that path is there. Okay, the dev dad, and then I think I need something called the dev dad bot. Wish me luck. No matches. Home. See, I don't actually know what it is. We went Mac, baby. We had to. We had to. Feels really good, Zergic too. I feel the power. I feel the power. I can feel the power coming back to me. Docs. Obviously I still have to set it up quite a bit. But tell you what, I'll tell you what. I don't know if you can see this, but that's a whole lot of nothing going on. That's a whole lot of nothing going on. And that's exactly what we've needed. Whole lot of nothing going on. So I'm pretty hyped about that. Let me find a link. So I'm sure this question is going to come up. So I might as well get a command for it if I can. My bot is still running on. It's this bad boy. Okay, let me do this. Let's test this. Test. Mac. Okay, great. Mac. Let me do some copying here. I'm just copying straight from the website. Let's go, Akira. Welcome. Welcome. All right, I think this is probably all people care about. Paste. Is there anything else people care about specs wise? I don't think so. All right, there it is. There's the command. There's the command. Obviously, I had to change some of the stream up. Now I'm just this tiny dude in the corner. Also, we got to get the but yeah. Look at what I wanted to show you is look how much the CPU is not working. I mean, come on. And my app's running right now. The app is running, I think. Yeah, the app is running. The server's running. I got everything running. So let's keep cooking. All right, so I need to pull this down. Home, the dev dad. Documents, the dev. Why'd that fail? There we go. I'm just pulling down. So I'm just SSHing into my machine. Oh, we've done it. We've done it. What is it? Oh god, is this pulling like node modules? Uh-oh. Let me turn these damn alarms off. I was up till midnight setting this up, so I'm on 4 hours of sleep right now. Just so you guys know. Oh god, this is pulling node modules. Oh god. Screw it. Raycast. No, what is Raycast? Something I should have. Okay, now it's pulling Git. Okay, see, that was much better. How could it be better than Spotlight? Spotlight's outstanding. That's crazy if true. I mean, that's crazy. Do you have it replace your command space? Dude, I use Spotlight to access everything. You think it's miles ahead of Spotlight, dude? Bass, thanks for those kind words. Dude, I'm trying not to like install things. If you guys are saying it's that powerful, let's go ahead and bloat the computer up with it. That's a ridiculous claim. If true, outstanding. You should try Kitty as your terminal. Who are you, Akira? Okay, I installed it. How do you start it? How do I start Raycast? It can't find it. How come Spotlight can't find Raycast? Hmm. I literally don't know where it is. There it is. Yeah, I bought it yesterday, dude. Went to the store, walked out with it. Are these guys gonna make me pay anything? Okay, what is this? App launcher, calculator. The hell? Look, I don't need a calculator. Windows management could be sick. Emoji picker, that's cool. Hopefully I don't have to install all those things. Oh god, I'm overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed. We'll do this later. I'm overwhelmed. There's a lot going on there. We'll figure that out later. Oh, an absolute banger came on. Dude, and like my setup is so sick. My setup is so sick. Oh my god, guys. I'm so hyped. I got the 16-inch MacBook Pro on the desk. To be honest, that's what the way that I'm choosing to do streaming, and I hope this works out. I hope this is a good setup. We'll find out. My plan is just to share my MacBook screen. So that's what you guys see. You see my MacBook screen. And so I'm not sharing Windows. I'm just sharing my screen. So that way, if I need to pop a browser over, can easily do that. Can easily, let's see here. Yeah, can like imagine if I had multiple tabs, could swipe them over. And then up here, this is my TV. I got my iPad down here. Wait, see, you can't even see my hands anymore. I'm just this tiny face. That's okay. So I don't know. Let's see if we can make something work, shall we? I gotta figure out how to kill the bot over here. I don't know what to do with my desktop now. I just got this desktop sitting here. It looks cool. Maybe I could just use that as the bot. Maybe it'll be a dedicated bot machine. DevDead live on a weekend. Bro, we're always live on the weekend. Sunday's not often anymore. So one thing I lost is all my aliases. And in fact, that's something I'm interested in. Let's do this. nvim.alias. So these are all my aliases. I honestly probably want most of these. Yeah, we got a dedicated server. Okay, so let's like get rid of some of these. Cool, let's just pull that over, honestly. So yeah, guys, a lot of today's going to be like kind of tweaking things and getting it set up. It's almost 5 here. It's 4:40. And I slept for 4 hours, so I'm doomed later. Today's my son's birthday party. I just gotta make it through that. Alias says squiggly. Cool. So now if I do this, for instance, E should exit. Cool. So my aliases are live. Oh yeah, we went Mac on them. Was it a smart decision? I don't know. We'll find out. We'll find out. Did the wife approve? She was indifferent. She was indifferent. Because I told her you won't even see the you won't see it. Financially or physically. Okay. All right. So I'm running good old Mirroring 360 Pro to share this screen. That dang application on an old iPhone. Let's hope this works out. I don't know what's going to happen. We'll see if I'll give QuickTime a shot. Let's kill this. I ain't opposed because I didn't. Although I did just pay $12 for Mirroring 360 last night. QuickTime Player. Are they gonna make me pay? Dude, didn't we find out QuickTime Player was like pathetic? Or is that just new screen recording? No, that's not it. How do I do it? Connect drive. Oh, I'm not connected. I don't even know how to connect. How do I connect? I've got I got a dock. Do you guys use these docks? I got like a CalDigit dock. Most importantly, guys, I got um most importantly, I got the Apple Care. So if this thing blows up, they just got to give me a new one. Okay. Here we go. I plugged it in. New movie recording iPhone. Hello. How do I not have me be on the screen? Click the arrow. iPhone 8. Okay. Wrong iPhone. This is pretty cool, though. I will give you that. It doesn't see my iPhone. It actually doesn't see it. Is it not trusted or something? Oh, am I on this camera? No, I don't know what. I don't know what the hell just happened. That's not ideal. Why would that change? Why would that change? Oh, this is tragic. I don't even know what to do with that. Yeah, all right. We're using mirroring 360. If it ain't broke, don't. You know what they say. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. All right. Remove. Boom. I don't know if it works or not, but it screwed up my camera and I couldn't get it to find the iPhone. It's an older iPhone, so who knows if it even supports this. Let's see here. Okay, so now we need to do this whole thing again. This is lovely. I think it's like 800 or something. And then make me smaller. I don't know how small. I think that's a good start. Okay. Well, does that kind of look normal? Define moving to linear. We have the application. We have an account with the application. Okay. Let me get this thing going again. Dude, it's so fast. It's so everything's so fast. Like loading up mirroring 360 on the PC used to take like 100 years. This thing just cooks. Dota, how we doing? Unable to connect. Don't listen to me. I don't know anything. Unable to connect. Classic. Absolutely classic. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. It says she's ready to connect. There it is. Oh, then it disappeared. Why would it disappear? Oh, that is tragedies, guys. The tragedies. Let's see here. I mean, it's saying it's able to connect. Let me kill everything. I'm glad I stayed up till midnight getting this environment set up. Just to blow it all away. Okay, there it is. Allow me to connect. No, it's not you. It's everything. Come on. Don't do me dirty. Yeah, I can't connect now. Damn it. Let me try killing this app again. Slept until 4:30. I got you beat by 30 minutes. Mirror, happy 5th of July. What's good? Thanks, dude. Okay. Sorry, guys. I was really not hoping to do this today. Just give me 2 more seconds. I actually need to get screenshots, if nothing else, for my marketer. He's been asking for like 2 days now. I can't believe it won't connect now. That's so shit. What on earth could be different? Could it be Bluetooth? I did turn off my Bluetooth. Could that be a player here? It might be. Trust. I bet you it was the Bluetooth, which would be interesting if this thing goes through Bluetooth. I don't know what it goes through. There it is. Bro, I'll get into woodworking before I use a Linux operating system. I'll just switch careers entirely. Okay, we're in. All right. Okay, cool. Let's see how this works, guys. Well, one thing I need to do is this. Fix these aliases. Any of them that are hard-coded to... luckily, most things are just relative. Users, the dev dad is where I now live. Ready for this, guys? Home. Users. G. Done. Cool. Right quit. So can I do stop server? Stop client. Nice. How's my... That text size is probably pretty small, isn't it? This is more appropriate, but I'm zoomed in. So we'll just have to remember that. Oh yeah, absolute banger alert. Start. Okay, so let me do this. Goodbye. Goodbye. Quit. Exit. Exit. Okay, new Windows. Server. Nice. Aliases just map over. Client. Nice. Boom. Boom. Start server. Oh no. What do you mean you don't know start server? Bro, what? Start server. NodeMon. Sounds like something I need. How do I get NodeMon? npm NodeMon. Probably a -G, right? npm -G. Alias. Okay, so I need this to be... I'm pretty sure... I don't know. What is dev and debug? I actually don't know what those are. Okay, this terminal's all screwed up. I wonder why. Okay, that one's better. Debug is NodeMon. Okay, cool. Makes sense. Start server. Sick. Yo, what up, Lakey? Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Okay, server's running, guys. Server's cooking. So let's go to exit. Okay. Client. Start client. No. Oh, you know what? When I open up a new terminal down here, it's not getting my same environment. Yeah. I wonder why not. Okay, so if I run source, if I run source Z profile, everything works. Which I don't really want to do, obviously. But that at least explains what's happening. Start server. Esteban, it has been a long time. How we doing, my friend? You know he started streaming? You know he started streaming in Better on a Mac? Probably back when Esteban used to stick around. Start client. Okay, yeah, we don't have dev anymore. And then, you know, I bought my desktop for streaming. And now it's just decoration. Start. Start. Okay. We need to source this thing again, and then I should be able to say start client with some success here. All right. Starting. Okay, let's see if we can cook, guys. Let's see if we can cook. Here we go. The iPhone's cooking. I'm holding the iPhone. I'm holding the iPhone. Yes, and then this problem happens, and I don't know why. Tutorial Island modal. Are you talking in general or in my app specifically? Yeah, it is. It's because we got to come up with a better way to handle this thing because that is how we. Oh God, why don't I have format? What do I got to do to? That's gonna piss me off. I need format. Yeah, I'm working on the Mac screen. That's my strategy because my other screen is just way too big. So I'm thinking. So I have like different Windows quarter paneled up there, but I'm thinking I'll just stream my Mac screen, and then that will be what people see. Okay, what do I gotta do to get format, guys? I can't even. I don't even remember what to do for half of this stuff. Mason install. Mason. I probably am missing all my language servers. I imagine. I don't even know what I would need. Is it weird? Is it weird seeing me on the stream looking down at my computer? Like should I try to move it up here? Is that going to look better? Or does it not really matter? Cuz this is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of my days otherwise. Yes, yes, exactly, Lakey. We're on the Mac. Maybe for your own neck is better. You might be right. I might be able to. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. That's a good call though. Okay, TypeScript language server. I see you. Maybe that. Okay, now how do I install you is another question. I gotcha. I'm sure there's other things. Prisma, I know, is actually one I wanted. Prisma. Yeah, we have no. Oh, dude, I love being on a Mac. OS X is literally such a good operating system. I just hope that this thing lasts like at least 5 years. And then one of two things happen in 5 years. Either Embedder took off and I've made it, and then it doesn't really matter what computer I have, or nothing took off and I just got an expensive brick and I get into woodworking. Those are the two options. Oh, wait. So I think you're right, Estranged. Guys, what do I need to do to get format? Yeah, I do. I should install Nerd Font. I have no idea how. Do you, off the top of your head, Bass? So format. Look, I have this thing here. Create command format. Why is it not getting created? Local to the LSP buffer. I have Homebrew. That's the very first thing I installed. Five. Do I need a formatter? You think I have to restart or just open up a new tab? Oh, by the way, I will. I don't know if it's going to work, but I will try to make Song Redemptions a thing again. I actually don't know where to find that now. Hold on. I'll do that later. Okay. We want to serve, we were on, I think, client. And then we went to Tutorial Island Service. And then we said format. Oh, it works, guys. Oh, no, it didn't work. Prettier is not executable, so I need to do brew install prettier, right? Prettier D. For some reason, I installed it via brew last time. So I kind of just assumed I had to. Hopefully that removed its dependencies. All right, I'm doing prettier D as opposed to prettier. We'll see if that's what I needed. Okay, tutorial. Island model. All right, she cooked. She cooked. Yeah, go for it, dude. And you can drop it down to 1,000 again. I was just now I don't know if it's gonna work. You know, I can just SSH over that machine and then just do it this way. All right, I'll just do it quick. I got it right here. Viewer rewards. Manage. Song request, edit. Guys, I feel so happy to be on a Mac. I don't even know what to tell you. I don't even know. I mean, you probably all know. Those of you who like it, Mac, you're probably like, yeah, no crap. Start server. Like, I'm actually mad at myself. It took so long to finally actually pull the trigger. That's okay. It wasn't a small amount of money. So I think not spending that type of money all willy nilly is probably a pretty good thing in general. All right, here we go. You could have traded your. Oh, great. Why does it keep crashing? You could have traded your work machine for MacBook for a Linux. Thank God you didn't. That'd have been horrible. Hey, for some reason it works now, which is actually not good. All right. All right. We're just gonna get this dude a screenshot. Like we just need to get a screenshot. Yeah, those days are over, unfortunately for me. When you use the Mac, you gotta use the phone, which kind of sucks. Brent plus checklist. But you know what? It's actually not a bad thing to get used to using this thing with your hands because this is what your customers are doing. Sure, I'll save your password. Okay, let's go ahead and delete this. Okay. We don't have alerts. All right, if we do nothing else, we're going to get my marketer a screenshot because we're starting paid ads like today or tomorrow. No, Monday, sorry. So neither of those days, but Monday, definitely. Paid ads start Monday, so we better be ready for people by then. Um, unfortunately, oh man. Unless I need to pull, please tell me that's just all it is. Because these are really old changes. Okay, I did have to pull. Okay. All hope is not lost. We're probably still screwed. We're probably still screwed, but did you configure all the secrets? What secrets? Start client. Okay, let's see what happens. We need to send a screenshot of the tutorial running. Um, I'm Donnie. I'm unfamiliar with what you're getting at. I have like my environment variable. Is that what you mean? Okay, we're doomed, guys. We're doomed. Those buttons aren't supposed to be there. Those buttons aren't supposed to be there. So if those buttons are there, what else is here that's not supposed to be there? Or worse, what is not here that is supposed to be here? I did pull the client. So you think I didn't? You're a genius, dude. That's why we keep Akira around, guys. Thank God, dude. Like, I was like, if that's not here, what else isn't here? Could you imagine? Could you imagine how much time I could have potentially lost if I never realized I didn't pull? That could have been horrible. My keyboard setup's not comfortable. I'm gonna have to figure something out. It's kind of hurting. I just love that the Mac. I love that I get the Mac monitor, and I'm pretty sure I could use my iPad as a monitor. I knew that thing had a purpose. Okay, here we go. All right, perfect. I think. Yeah, we're in a good spot. Okay, so let's get this dude a couple screenshots. I'm just, guys, I have this like fuzzy feeling inside. I'm just so happy to be on Mac. Because like I'm like, man, how do I get the screenshot? How do I get the screenshot from my phone? How do I get the screenshot from my phone onto my computer? Mac probably has a way. Mac probably has a way. And just so you guys know, I use a Mac for more hours a day than I used my PC because I do full-time development on a Mac. So I'm no stranger to the Mac space. Now, different tech stack for what it's worth, but definitely no stranger to the Mac. In fact, as I've always said, let me take a sip of coffee. I'll tell you what I always say about Mac. Mac is expensive. This thing was $4,000 divided by 5 years. It's an $800 a year subscription model to have a Mac. You have to pay $800 a year, and every 5 years you need a new one. That's not a bad deal. That's not a bad deal, honestly. It's really not. Full-time stack, we use more like Java, like Spring Boot, something called Grails, if you've heard of it. And what's so sick about my setup is now when it's time to switch between this setup and my full-time job, I just unplug one laptop. It's a single cable, by the way. One cable controls all of this. And that's another beautiful thing I love about my Mac setup. One cable powers it all. Unplug the sole cable. Just drop in the work laptop. Plug it in. Done. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, guys. Okay, I got this dude here. Main. Let's go to main. What is KVM? Is using Xcode instead of dev build? Yes, Italian SpongeBob. In fact, I don't know how to get the dev build. I just never looked into it because I never needed to. Now if they support MST for display port. What is MST? With KVM, you don't even need to unplug. Do you have to have both computers plugged in at the same time? I'm assuming. Oh no! Wish me luck getting this developed. Passive for multiple screens. Got it. Got it. All right, hold on, guys. I got to cook something up here. Hey, Hard Coding, helping me fund the MacBook. Thank you, bro. Thanks for the continued support. Really appreciate that, dude. 10 months, outstanding numbers, dude. Thanks for everything. Enter the connection URL. Okay, so let me just, I don't know. I don't know what it wants from me. Let me try this whole URL. Paste. Enter name. Did it work? Star from user. Oh God. Sure didn't. No, it might have. And I just can't see it. Hmm. Oh, it was a failed connection. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. Add connection. Banger alert, banger alert. Hold on, I'm getting my databases set up, guys. Development. Let's see if she's connected, guys. Select star from user. Oh, I don't have my SQL installed. Oopsies. Guys, how do I install MySQL? Is it MySQL? Do I just need MySQL client? Because I don't need the server, you know what I mean? So is it literally, do I literally just want the client? MySQL, oh damn it. Oh damn it. What did I just install? I just didn't want to, I just wanted to make sure I didn't get the server. How great is a Mac though, guys? Perfect. All right, we're in. Okay, let me just get my production account and then we're gonna keep cooking. MySQL copy. Here's a $1 million question, guys. Add connection. Guys, here's a $1 million question. Production. The $1 million question is, hold on. Then I'll tell you the $1 million question. Cool. Let me just copy this. There really is a $1 million question. Okay. I actually forgot the $1 million question. I was too distracted. Oh no, I remembered it. I remember it. Here we go, guys. Watch this. V word yank. Copied. Yank to clipboard, guys. Yank to clipboard. Look, if you guys use NeoVim and you don't yank to clipboard, I don't know what to tell you. I just don't know what to tell you. You need to yank to clipboard. Start server. Source. Start server. You don't like it? Oh, dude, I'm a huge yank to clipboard fan. Start client. Yeah, the only problem with VS Code is it's for noobs. You don't get to do custom configuration and debugging when you use VS Code. I'm just kidding. Oh, come on. I just love NeoVim, man. NeoVim's great. I love NeoVim. Now, here's what's interesting. I had to get it working on a new machine today and yesterday. And A, I forgot how to do it, and B, I didn't want to do it. So that part's not ideal. Source. I did get it anyway. Source. Start client. Razarshi used Nano. That's a really good text editor. That's a really, really good text editor. A really good editing experience. So, because I have an interesting thought here. Screen. Transform. I'm just curious. Can I get rid of that top bar? Did I nail it? then let's see if I do right click, transform, fit to screen. I thought I could nail it. So I don't know if that was actually, I don't know if that actually did anything for me. No, I don't know what's going on. Let me fix this. Right, transform, center to screen, transform. That's about as good as we're gonna get. That's about as good as we're gonna get. You can't for life. You understand why people swear to use VS Code for everything. Web development, sure it works. Don't give me a heart attack, dude. If you use VS Code for things like Java and C Sharp, you're just unaware. You're just unaware of the tools out there. Exactly. Viranen, for sure. Lakey, not today. Not today. How do I install Nerd Font? I guess that's something I can Google. Mac install Nerd. Oh my god. I cannot believe this is my life now. I cannot believe I just get to work on a freaking Mac for the rest of my life. And guys, look, I'm cooking all sorts of stuff. Look how hard my computer's working. Look how hard my computer's working. Look at the idle. 75% idle. Look at the CPU load, guys. Look at the CPU load, guys. $48 gigs. Whoa, that's crazy. I'm actually pretty impressed. I didn't know we were using 32. Thank God I don't have the 32 gig version. Thank God I didn't get the 32 gig version. I wanted the 64, to be honest. It was only $200 more, but it was gonna take several weeks to ship. Dude, why do you need help? Do not do it. I told you not today. Okay, that makes sense. I heart coding. So it's, yeah, because I'm not even really doing all that much. The most important thing is what's my stream data looking like? And I'm holding 60 frames. Guys, how would you say the stream quality is? Is the video clear? Is the audio clear? Any gripes about the current setup? Lakey, I'm obviously kidding, by the way. Definitely let me know what you're experiencing. Now, that's an interesting question. Is the video the right size? I don't think it is. I think I'm streaming at some weird. Oh, God, dude. You bought premium again. Wait, so you bought the app? You bought premium and the app crashed? I am streaming my. Oh no, I am streaming my monitor. Oh well, I can't think of why that would be, to be honest. My aspect ratio is some really weird one. All right, Lakey, we'll obviously fix that. My aspect ratio is 1496 by 967. Whatever that is. Okay. Um, why would you? Damn it. Why would buying premium crash the app? I have no idea, dude. First of all, thanks for buying it, by the way. Now, what's interesting is, yeah, I never got. That's a huge problem, by the way. But I never got. My server never received that you bought premium. So, okay, Lakey, do me this favor. You still with me, Lakey? Can you go try to buy premium again? It shouldn't let you, right? Like your phone, you've already bought it. The App Store knows you bought it. I'm curious what happens. Because there is this concept of recover. There is this concept of recover membership, which I never implemented. I wonder if that's necessary. Dude, now I need someone who has a Mac to. Or did it work? It says new premium user. Did you have to repay? It says new premium user. So the server has received that you are now a premium. Assuming that was you. Not Mac, sorry. I need someone on Android to buy it. How do I test that? I just want to make sure everybody on Android who buys it. Okay, so Late Key's premium. It's all on Late Key to let us know what happens here. Late Key's premium. He's typing an essay. It opens the screen with Embedded Premium. It opens the screen for premium and subscribe. You click the button. Okay. So you click purchase basically and it's just sitting there. Well, what's interesting is, oh God, we're going to have to fix that. But anyway, I suppose we could say the good news is it you can close it. You're good. It worked. You are premium. That was obviously a terrible user experience. I can't speak to what that was. I can't. We're gonna have to get deeper into that. But today let's just get the screenshots and try to get this build out. Thanks for getting premium, and B, thanks for testing that and reporting that, because if there's one area you don't want bugs, it's around purchasing premium. Like that's the one area that can't break. To have a good fort? Oh, I sure did. I sure did. I love I just love getting back to the grind though. Nothing like the grind, let me tell you. Where user ID equals 1004. What user am I? Main. And Lieutenant, my friends and I, we only barely trash talk the UK. We weren't even that hard on you guys. We weren't even that hard on you guys. We were not that hard on you guys. Select star from user property where key like um tut. I have no idea what user this is. Delete from property where key like tut. Bruh. Bro, we cooked the M3, baby. The most important part of my whole computer is that it's black, by the way. Like, the specs don't really matter. All that matters is that it's space black. It is so sick looking. I don't even know what peng means, but I'm gonna start using that word now. Oh, I know what I gotta do, guys. Yeah, yeah, that's a little awkward since yesterday was July 4th. Just kidding. No, it's not. Okay, select star. I know what to do. From user where 1004. Oh, you know what I don't probably have, guys? I don't even know how I got this freaking far. I don't have Copilot installed. I can't believe I got this far without having Copilot installed. I knew I was something bad was happening. I got the 16-inch. How do I get Copilot? GitHub.com. Oh my god, imagine clicking links inside NeoVim and they work. Guys, one of my biggest regrets of 2024 and even probably 2023 is not getting a Mac. I can't believe I didn't get the Mac. Yo, what's up, Rich? All right, we're cooked. We're cooked. Dude, I got a gifted sub to the most random channel you've ever heard. The dude's name is Stank Rat. Oh, we went Mac, baby. We went Mac. We went Mac. Yo, Rizarshi, we need you. You should buy it if you have an Android, especially. And let me know if if you don't get it and if your machine just crashes instead. That would be great. I need to know if people's machines are crashing. All right, so anyway, watch this. I got the MacBook Pro. Update where user ID equals 1004, not 54. Update account. Guys, is my text too small? I feel yeah. Put a 1 in the chat if the text is too small. Put a 0 in the chat if it's good. Damn. You think the Mac Mini is better? Okay. The Mac Mini is far better than the MacBook Pro. I messed up then. I must have messed up. All right. I just freaking love these things, man. Like this, like the windows snapping next to each other or near each other. It's just a beautiful thing, guys. It's a beautiful thing to behold. Okay, so update set use equals 0 terms version. Oh my god, if I can get this dude a screenshot today, I'll be so happy. ID, username, account, setup, terms, version. Update user where ID update user set account setup equals 0 terms version equals 0 where ID equal. Yo, Pockets. Dude, that's literally like that is absolutely cool. That is absolutely cool. It's not something you like. We don't want this to be some social media app where you're scrolling on it for like, forever. The idea is as long as it's helping you maintain your typical, your ideal habits, and you can say what up to a couple of your buddies sitting on the app. Perfect. This isn't something you're supposed to be scrolling around for an hour a day. It's really not that interesting. But it is cool just to, cut the latest and greatest from the timeline. All right, here we go. So hopefully that answers your question. 5 minutes is absolutely fine. I probably spent 5 minutes on it. Here we go. Tutorial, baby. I don't know what screenshot to send for the record. How peng is that tutorial, Lieutenant? Yeah, handcrafted, by the way. Handcrafted, Lieutenant, okay? Look, that ain't no library. That ain't no library, bro. Handcrafted, bro. With love. With love. Add new habit. Hey, for what it's worth, I feel like the size of the phone is pretty cool. Like I feel like that ratio of text editor to code, I actually think that's pretty legit on the stream. What do you guys think? Crap. I probably could have used one of those. Is it the person in the bottom right? uh there. But now they're not. Now one's overlapping the other. How do I make myself a circle? OBS Video circle. For the record, I just do not think I'm gonna be doing the circle. I gotta download the filter image. That ain't ideal. I downloaded it. Let's hope it's not a virus of some sort. I just arbitrarily downloaded it. I just clicked download from some random Google Drive. What's the worst that could happen? Banger alert.